Okay, so quick update on some Fortin remote start wiring, because I got a lot of questions and I didn't even know, and I just made a call and found out, so I'll share it with you. On the Evo Toy 13 and the Toy 12 for the Evo 1, which is what I'm working on here, there's a connection for the white with the red stripe and white with the green stripe. And what this is designed to do, you know me, wire neat freak. These here are designed to go into the TPMS, which is the tire pressure monitoring system. If you do not make this connection, it will behave in a way where you start the car and the vehicle will not shut down. Only if you make this connection and interrupt it will that function correctly. So that's what this is about. And I've got a lot of calls and I was very curious about it. So it turns out that is an important connection. So I hope this helped. I'll see you in the next one.